Are you still thinking of your friend who was attacked with a hatchet after finishing work at a law firm? We all were. Such a heinous attack on an innocent person shocked all of us. And the incident didn't end there. Cameron Turgay Bardak, the perpetrator responsible for attacking his ex-girlfriend, Maria Busai, has been sentenced to 14 years of jail. But what was it all about? The court was informed that in July 2020, Busai noticed Bardak hiding near her car after work. She refused to get inside, then he told her he would kill her. It was then that she noticed he was carrying a hatchet. He struck her multiple times, then proceeded to choke her as citizens who heard her scream came to her aid. The jury watched portions of an iPhone footage of Bardak on top of Busai with his hands around her throat, while the Good Samaritans attempted to separate them. During Busai's victim statement at the trial, she said she suffers from PTSD, nightmares, trust issues, and had to leave the practice of law. Her parents sold everything, and they all left for Australia for safety, so Bardak couldn't track them down. Bardak tried to justify himself to the jury, saying that he had intended to scare Maria in hopes she would speak to him again after their breakup. But the Crown prosecutor, Chris Cook, wasn't having it. He argued that Bardak had the mindset of, if I can't have her, no one can. He was found guilty of attempted murder on Thursday and sentenced to 14 years of jail on Friday. Bardak must serve 80% of that before filing for parole. As mentioned before, such a terrible attack mustn't go unnoticed. It is also heartbreaking that the victim had to leave her family home, her parents had to sell all of their possessions, and she had to give up her career in the law field. This case serves as an important reminder that we should never be silent when we become aware of violence. If you ever notice a situation in which domestic violence is occurring, don't be afraid to call the helpline in your country. An international helpline website can be found at the end of the description box. Let's hope that this sentence gives justice to Maria, and makes sure she and thousands of other victims of domestic violence are safe and can rebuild their lives with peace of mind and freedom.